Hello friends, let us solve now next part of the previous problem. Now this portion is what we are looking for, okay, in this particular solution. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to the VP, okay, inclined at 60 degree to the HP and passing to the point on the axis 25 mm above from the bottom face. So from the bottom face a line of 25 mm, isn't it? So intersection for the selection, intersection point will not be there, okay. So I have changed the property of this particular center line. Then a line say at the angle of say 30 mm, then less than sign at an angle of 60, okay, line we have drawn. Now it is up to this point only, so let us extend this, and over here let us extend the same line till this, like this and like this, and let us delete this line, delete this line too, and mark the dimension of this particular point as 25 mm. Now we can convert this into a center line, okay. Now this is what they are talking about, and this is also a cutting plane, so which equals to center line only, but whose color we should change to the yellow one, isn't it? Now see, this is what is being cut. Now we need to project this particular point from here by keeping ortho on till this point, isn't it? Then lateral part we can trim. Then from AB we need to measure this distance, okay. Again we don't have point over here, so let us change this line like this, circle from here to here, okay, and this is from B to C. Are you getting me? No, not from here. That needs to be drawn from the top view, but it will be same. It will be the same. Circle from here to here, isn't it? How much it is? It is from B to C, okay. Now this needs to be moved from this particular point on B, isn't it? Same is there on the A to D, isn't it? A to D. So this needs to be shifted from this point to this point, A to D, isn't it? Now these are the points. This is the first point, this is C, as well as the D point is, chalo, let us draw it, and this is the last point, okay. If we delete this, and if we delete this particular projection, this is what we are going to have. Are you getting me? Now let us copy, let me copy this, so that we can change the color of it. Yellow, let us make it yellow. It did not execute at that particular bracket point. And these lines are nothing but the yellow lines. ठीक है, and this dimension is over here. Similarly, here it has to be cut from here, this needs to be cut from here, this needs to be cut from here, and its extensions. Okay, whole will be of yellow color. So this is how dark portion you will draw. When we want to see the solution part, let us copy it again. We will remove all other lines. Okay, this is what is the solution. All the other unwanted lines are being deleted. And this is nothing but the center line of color yellow. Okay, so this is what is the solution for getting particular this kind of prism, isn't it? Are you getting me? But while drawing in the examination, you are supposed to draw it like this. Okay, if you have any kind of doubt, please ask me through the comments, through the mail, through the WhatsApp, through the call. Okay, thank you so much. All the best.